Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, in today's video we are going to see how to make garlic grilled prawns. This grilled prawn recipe is very delicious and flavorsome and at the same time quick and easy to make. So friends, let's get started with this awesome prawn starter recipe which can be served and enjoyed in any kind of parties. So here I have taken 10 large size prawns and now we shall prepare the marination sauce. So first I am going to chop 3 large garlic pods. I will roughly chop them now. Alright, this is done. Next I will chop 1 large green chilli. You can add green chilies according to your spice level. Now transfer the chopped garlic and the green chilies into a mortar. And with the help of a pestle, we will ground the chilies and garlic into a coarse paste. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So after grounding it well, you will get this kind of a coarse paste. Next I am going to finely chop few cilantro or coriander leaves. This will enhance the flavor of the marination sauce. Alright, chopping is done and now we shall prepare the marination sauce. For that, take a bowl and add 1/4 cup of olive oil, the chopped cilantro leaves. Next goes the coarse chili garlic paste. Then goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning, I will add half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some paprika powder as per your taste, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now mix everything well. This is a very flavorful marination sauce which can be used to grill fish and chicken as well. And now into this we will add the prawns. Coat the prawns well with the sauce and we will let the prawns rest in this sauce for at least half an hour so that the prawns soaks and absorbs all the flavors of the sauce. So the prawns has been resting for half an hour and now we shall grill them. I am using this wooden skewers to grill the prawns. Now pierce the prawns through the skewers and arrange them. If you don't have skewers, you can simply grill them in a grill pan. But when you arrange them in skewers, it's quick and easy to flip them from time to time in the grill pan. Alright, this is done. In the same way, I am going to arrange one more skewer. So arranging of the prawns in skewers is done, and now we shall start grilling them. For that, heat a grill pan and rub a very small cube of butter in the grill pan. And now with the help of a brush, spread the butter evenly on all the sides of the pan. And when the pan is hot, we will place the prawns arranged in the skewers. After about a minute, flip the skewers as we need to grill the other side of the prawn as well. Brush the marination sauce in between so that the prawns remain soft and juicy and doesn't dries out in the grilling process. After about 2 minutes, flip the skewers. Keep on flipping the prawns from time to time as we need to grill them golden brown from both the sides. But remember to keep the flame on low to medium. Also keep brushing the marination sauce in between. This will help to keep all the flavors intact in the prawns. By now the prawns are perfectly grilled from both the sides. They are done now. So I will turn off the flame and arrange them in a serving platter. And here goes our garlic grilled prawns. You can see they are perfectly grilled with all the flavors intact in them. I will serve them with some shredded cabbage and carrot and some sliced onions soaked in vinegar water. Also goes a slice of lemon with that. Enjoy this quick and tasty prawn starter recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so to remain updated with some more yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.